Hello, I'm going to be unboxing the 45 albums that I ordered for the first Bangchan video call event. I'll be showing you guys what each album comes with and the pictures inside so you can kind of decide which one that you think is the best for you. I'll also be showing my pulls collectively, and so you guys can see what stock that I managed to pull from all these albums. And if you guys are interested in what I pulled, you guys can go ahead and enter my go, and so that you guys have a higher chance of pulling your biases when you're ordering an album. I was really impressed with all the photos in each album. If I had to choose one personally, I'd probably choose the T version, but I think no matter what album you choose, you're going to be really happy with it. So I'm going to have a section where you can choose your album, photo cards, and some freebies I will be including. I'll also be offering PC sorting, and I believe that all of my albums came with the pre-order benefit, so you're going to get the Polaroid and a poster. So I'm going to have options for the poster if you want it rolled or if you want it folded. Just let me know what you prefer. And I think that's it for the album. There's the CD, and I'm gonna move on to the T version. That was the S. Okay, so there's the Polaroid, there's the photo strip, and the group photo, and the photo cards. Alright, so this is the T version. This is the one that I personally like. Oh, such a good photo. Lino. Changbin. Hyunjin. Yeah, so I just flipped through so you guys can see. I was also kind of like overwhelmed because there was so much going on in each album, but I was just kind of like imagining like where would they sign these albums if you took them to a fan sign, because they're pretty elaborate. And I mean, I'm sure they have like the silver markers and stuff like that, but each one came with the same thing. And now we're going to move on to the A version. I guess you could sort them by color too. So the blue one, take out all the extras in the photo cards. I also like the metallic shift to the albums. Starts off with Bangchan again, and so on. So I just wanted to show you guys what's in each album. This is the third one out of the 3. And after this, I'm going to be showing you guys all my pulls so you guys can kind of get a feel for what I have. Nothing is guaranteed, but I will try to do the order of your biases in terms of what I have for stock. So hopefully I can get you guys what you want. I will be doing 2 photo cards per album. I don't know if that's normal, but from what I've seen, a lot of people don't do that. Obviously, you can sell the photo cards separately, but I just wanted to make it easy as possible so everybody can hopefully get at least one of the 2 top selection of biases that you guys will fill out on the form. Obviously, I kept some that were, I only got one of, so everything here that has a duplicate will be offered in the goes. I have never ordered this many albums before, so I was getting kind of nervous that with each set I ordered a total of 45, so for every version I had exactly 15 versions of them. So I started off with S, and I was pulling a lot of the same photo cards, so I was getting kind of worried. I was getting a lot of duplicates. We started getting some different photo cards once we got into the T stack, and the T stack got us a little bit more variety, but still it was kind of like the way that they came off of the manufacturer and stuff like that. They just had a lot of the same photo cards in a row, so I was getting a lot of the same Bangchan ones, which I also only managed to pull the same photo cards for Lino and Felix, so I know that I still had a very incomplete set for all the other members. But just like the photo book, all the photo cards are all equally good, so I was really happy with what I got. I also wanted to mention that every time I've gotten an album before Go Live, I've always managed to pull Seungmin, so I had a really good stock of him. So if you're a Seungmin stan, order through me because I've got you covered. I will be posting the more detailed information on the Go in a form for you guys to fill out, so please check it out if you're interested. I also just want to reiterate again that the first 10 people will have priority for their biases and albums, and the other 30 people will be able to get 2 photo cards along with the pre-order benefits of the Polaroid and the poster. Also wanted to quickly mention that I'll be including some freebies of some stickers that I designed for this, so hopefully if you guys can help me out by ordering some albums, I can help you guys out get the album that you want and hopefully closer to the members that you'd like to have for your photo cards. Thank you, and see you in the Go forms!